morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is, I don't even know. Today's Tuesday. And I have a little bit of time before work. I'm going late today because I have an appointment for someone to come look at my heater, like my AC unit. And so I want to do this DIY. I got a vanity, or I bought my vanity desk from IKEA, which is here. And this, I'm not finished with it yet, you guys. This is still my old mirror. But this chair is what I'm going to be working with today. I'm going to be transforming this ugly wooden piece of, I don't even know if I can call it furniture, but I'm going to be transforming this. I'm going to give it, I'm going to spray paint it, of course. It's my favorite thing to do, spray paint. And then I'm going to make a cushion and put fabric on the seat and on this part and this backrest right here. So let's get started. While I'm here, I also have this wooden bookshelf that my neighbor gave me, so I'm actually going to spray paint that silver too, because that's going in my room as well. So I'm going to let both of these pieces dry and then give it another coat. I still have a significant amount of spray paint left, so I should be good. If you're ever spraying wood and you don't want to like prime it or sand it, get the paint that says ideal for wood, and it always like works out for me. So I think for the bookshelf, I'm going to, of course, you know me, glitter and Mod Podge. But for the chair, I'm actually going to give it a cushion because that joint is hard. Here are all the materials I'm going to use to add a cushion to the chair. I'm going to use spray adhesive, a staple gun, the fabric that I got from Joann's that was $14.99, the foam cushion I got from Joann's also. It was half off, so I got that for $7.99. You're also going to want a pair of scissors, a staple gun, and of course your chair. here is the final look of my chair. Oh, I'm so excited about this. It looks so good. Here's the back. If you've made it this far into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below and tell me what you think of this chair, you guys. I'm so in love with it. It's going to go perfectly in front of my vanity. It's amazing. If you've already subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always get these uploads, these DIYs, these vlogs, you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.